गुड मॉर्निंग व्यूअर्स, दिस इज अमृता एंड यू आर वाचिंग लेट्स एक्सेल टुगेदर। आज के सेशन में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं सी एच का साउंड। सी एच का साउंड, यू माइट बी थिंकिंग दैट सी एच का साउंड तो सिंस चाइल्डहुड वी हैव लर्न्ड दैट द साउंड इज च, बट यू विल बी वेरी मच सरप्राइज टू नो दैट सी एच का साउंड सिर्फ च नहीं होता है। इट कैन बी ऑल्सो प्रोनाउंस्ड एज क एंड श। Let's take one example. S-A-C-H-E-T. What will be the sound of this word? I have written here S-A-C-H-E-T. It is pronounced as sachet. Sachet. It is not pronounced as sachet. It is not pronounced as sacket. It is pronounced as sachet. So people get confused. So ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि CH का sound सिर्फ च तक सीमित नहीं है. It has sh sound also, it has k sound also. That's why English is a unique language and bit funny also. So let's check it out, the list of the words which will make it very clear to you all that कहाँ पे हम लोग ch sound कहेंगे, कहाँ पे ch k की तरह use होगा and कहाँ पे ch को sh sound दिया जाएगा. Let's check it out. Let's see this word. The first word is chair, C-H-A-I-R. Here C-H is pronounced as ch. The man is sitting on the chair. The next word is C-H-A-P, chap. Chap is mainly used for boys and man. The chap who's standing near that door is my friend. Chap, C-H is here pronounced as ch. The next word is chop. Will you please chop this onion for me? Chop, to cut into pieces. Chop. The next word is chew. C-H-E-W. Chew. Chew means chabana. Kindly chew the food properly. Never pronounce this word as chew. It's only chew. Change. My pen is not working. I'm going to change it very soon. Change. C-H is again pronounced as ch. Watch. Watch means देखना, बहुत ध्यान से देखना. My son is watching the television. Sandwich. I love eating sandwich. Now one thing you will notice guys, that though the spelling is S-A-N-D, the sound is sandwich. D is silent here. Got it? So sandwich. Always speak sandwich. The next word is chips. My daughter, she loves to eat chips. The next word is chores. Chores, that is jobs or work. Nowadays, I am very busy in my household chores. So these are the words where CH is pronounced as ch. Now let's see some words where CH is pronounced as k. The first word is chemistry. Chemistry. Chemistry is my favorite subject. The next word is chaos. CH here is pronounced as k. Chaos. Chaos means halchal. After the accident, there is a chaos on the road. Chaos. The next word is character. That boy's character is very good. CH is pronounced as k here. The next word is chronic. Chronic. That disease is chronic. Echo. Echo. Echo means gujna. This room is echoing because of the loud music. The next word is ache. Again here CH is pronounced as k. Ache. Ache means pain. That boy has a stomach ache. Stomach ache. Mechanic. Mechanic. CH is pronounced as k. Mechanic. Today I have called the mechanic to repair my television. Scholar. Scholar. CH again it is pronounced as k. There is a competition, scholarship competition going on in that college. The next word is a school. School. Technology. Technology. Again CH. Here you can see CH is pronounced as k. Technology. This modern technology has changed many people's life. So these are the list of words where CH is pronounced as K. Now let's see the third section, that is CH is here pronounced as Sh. The first word is sachet. Let's see the spelling. Just listen to these pronunciation very carefully, because majority of the students get confused in this only. So let's listen to it very carefully. The first word is S-A-C-H-E-T. That is sachet. Sachet. T is silent, CH is pronounced as Sh. What do you mean by sachet? Sachet means small packet of something. The sachet of shampoo, you can say. The next word is chef, C-H-E-F. Chef means trained cook. The cook who has good knowledge of cooking. Chef, trained one. Brochure, brochure. It's an informative document of any place. This is used for advertising something. Advertising their company or school or college. If you go to any new place, any new institute, any new school, they provide you brochure wherein all the activities, all the rules and regulations are written there. Another word for brochure, you can say pamphlet, leaflet, small booklet, you can say. Charlotte. Charlotte is a name. Again, CH is pronounced here as Sh, Charlotte. Machine, machine. Very common word. And here CH again it is pronounced as Sh. The next word is parachute. The next word is champagne. Always try to understand the pronunciation of this word. It's champagne. CH is not pronounced as Ch, it is pronounced as Sh. It's a type of drink, champagne. Chiffon, chiffon, CH again, and the sound is Sh. Chiffon, it's a type of cloth. Michelle, Michelle is a name of a girl. Then the last word, last but not the least, you can say is mustache. In Hindi we say it as mooch. That man has a thick mustache. Okay, so these are the words where CH is pronounced as Sh. There are many more words like Michigan, Chicago. Michigan, it's a state of United States. Chicago, it's a city of United States. So there are, if you just turn the pages of dictionary, you will find many words wherein CH is pronounced as Sh. You will find many words where CH is pronounced as K. You will find many words where CH is pronounced as Ch. So from today onwards, आज के बाद आप कंफ्यूज बिल्कुल मत होइएगा कि CH का साउंड सिर्फ च होता है. इसका साउंड क भी होता है और श भी होता है. So that's all for today's video. Hope आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, नॉलेज मिला होगा. If you find this video knowledgeable, okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share it. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.